Hi, it's Kathy at Mesquite Mountain Homestead, and I've been busy today. I just thought I'd put a few clips on of the last couple days, and I hope you'll enjoy my little video. Thanks for stopping by, you guys. I appreciate you so much. So, it's a beautiful morning. I did manage to go down to town and pick up some things I needed. So, when I left, I go out here and go to the right. But I noticed to the left, where the wash is that runs across my property, there were a lot of rocks that had washed up on the road. And nobody really uses this portion of the road except for UPS and FedEx. So I never have traffic out here, very seldom. But I'm gonna go see if I can move those rocks off the road. There's a guy up the road, I'm not sure who he is, but sometimes he'll come down after the storm and work on this wash, but he didn't this time. So let me go see. Oh, somebody came through here. But see how it made this big bump here? And then somebody must have moved some of these rocks. I'm gonna see if I can move a few more of those. Make it a little easier for those guys. That's better. Smoothed out that big hump in the middle and got rid of some of those big rocks. This is still too wet to dig for my cob. I'd hoped it would be drier this morning, but it's still a mud hole. First, I'm going to make sure the wasps are out of here. I think I've been trying to catch them right when they start. I don't see any up here this morning. They really like to put their nests up between these. So, if you're new, I just work on these soffits when I can't work on my cob. I've been doing the soffits. So, the thing with those is, these screens were 2 inches. And my bit I bought was 2 inches. But for some reason, they wouldn't fit. So I had to go to each one and make them larger with a Dremel tool and custom fit these into these holes. So I had to do that to each one. And I made one extra. And then I put them up here. I can see a spot. It's not level there. I'm gonna have to go fix that. That'll drive me nuts. So I'm almost done except for that one piece down there. So I got this one right when they started. See how tiny it is? The other one had a lot more cells, but if you don't get them right away when they're tiny like this, they make a huge nest. You'll have hundreds of wasps. So I always watch. If they're going up in the eaves, I'll go check and see if they're starting a nest, because when it's little like this, it takes a tiny little squirt of that wasp spray to get rid of it. So that came out of the corner right here. Every time I would put up a section, like before I put this one up, they were building their nests in those eaves. So every time I go to try to put that section up, I'd have to kill the wasps. But I'm gonna put this last section up right now before they have time to build another one in there. Get these sealed, and then it'll be done in the front. That'll be a wonderful thing. Tomorrow I'm hoping I can start cobbing this wall, and that shouldn't take me long at all. It took me longer doing the outside because I had to actually build the wall, but I've already done that, so all I have to do is get the cob up there. So I'm hoping, I think that if it doesn't rain tonight, it says it's not going to, but these storms, they just pop up sometimes. You know, it's hard for them to predict. So I'm hoping tomorrow I can get some dirt out of there and start cobbing. And then when I finish tomorrow, I'll make sure that I dig another wheelbarrow load and have out here in case it rains. I can at least have one wheelbarrow load out here. One of my subscribers suggested getting the fish emulsion to put on the garden. And so when I went to town, I picked some up and I sprayed that night. And the plants have all kind of perked up. I don't know if you can tell, but I can. They were, a lot of them, just laying flat on the ground after that crazy hailstorm. But you can see now, I really notice it in the zucchini. They've really perked up a lot. So I do think they're gonna make it, and I appreciate that tip, because it does seem like it helped quite a lot. So I came out this morning and I noticed something had been digging in the straw. And they left me their crap. I'm gonna guess that's a bobcat. Well, it's been a busy morning, and it's about 12:30, and it's getting hot. And the mud dauber wasps are moving in because they want to get some of that mud for their nests. Anyway, I've got my wheelbarrow filled up with the dirt, sand, and straw, so tomorrow I'll just add water to it and I'll be able to finish that section for sure. So that'll be good. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your support, and as always, you take good care, and I'll see you next time.